If you can't handle this work, just tell me. I can easily hire another doctor. There are plenty of people who would accept this position.
No, ma'am. I don't want to lose my job. I will continue working as usual. I only wanted to warn you that we should remain careful.
Then be careful. But don't question my decisions again. I know how to handle problems when they appear. You both should focus on your work. Now go back and help me make this hospital more profitable.
Mom?
Who is she?
Don't you know about her? She is her daughter Aroha.
This business class is fantastic. The seats are so comfortable. I could almost sleep here for hours. Our journey home feels very relaxing.
Yes, it is quite comfortable. But we really enjoyed our trip, didn't we?
Yes. I still can't forget the beaches in Goa. The Taj Mahal was beautiful too. I took so many pictures.
You looked so happy everywhere we went. Seeing you smile made the whole trip even better. I think we both needed this break.
Yes, we did. We should travel somewhere again soon. Traveling is so much fun when you are with someone you love.
What are you doing here? Can't you see that I'm talking with them? How many times do I have to tell you? Don't interrupt me when I'm discussing something important.
I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't mean to interrupt you. I just need some cash. My friend's birthday is coming, and I want to buy a few things.
What about the money I gave you last week? Did you already spend all of it? That was not a small amount, Aroha. Where did all that money go?
I spent it. I bought some books and a few other things. I also needed some items for my college work. That's why I don't have much money left.
All that money for books only? I don't understand you sometimes. You always seem to need something. Don't you know how difficult it is to earn money? You think money grows on trees, but it doesn't. You will not get any money from me today.
But Mom...
Enough. Go to your room and leave us alone. And don't come back until I call you. I have important matters to discuss. Now you both can leave as well. I think I have explained everything clearly. Do either of you have any questions?
No, ma'am. We don't have any questions. We understand what you expect from us. We will do as you say.
Dr. Oleg?
No, ma'am.
Good. I like people who understand instructions. Just make sure everything goes according to my plan. I don't want any unnecessary problems.
Why does Mom always treat me like this? She never tries to understand how I feel. Sometimes I wonder if she truly cares about me. I always feel so lonely, even inside my own home. She scolds me in front of everyone. She is always so rude and harsh with me. Maybe that is why Dad finally divorced her. But I don't want to become like her. I want to be kind to people and treat them with respect. I want to live my own life differently. I hope I can become a better person than my mother.
Here, you need to do all these tests. The doctor wants to make sure that everything is all right.
What? But the doctor told me there was no need for any tests. She asked me to come back next week for another checkup. Is something wrong with my condition now?
No, don't worry about that. The doctor just called me a few minutes ago. She forgot to write these tests earlier. You must get them done before your next visit.
All right, if the doctor says so, I will do them. I just hope everything is fine with my baby. Thank you for informing me about it.
Everything will be fine. Just take these papers and go to the laboratory. They will guide you through the rest of the process. Don't forget to bring the reports on your next visit.
Okay.
Why did you suddenly give her such a long list? Did the doctor really call you?
Why are you asking questions, Fanya? I know how to do my job. The doctor gave me new instructions, and I simply followed them. You should focus on your own work instead of watching mine.
I'm so sorry, my friend. I couldn't give you a gift on your birthday. I really wanted to buy something special. I promise I will get you something soon.
It's completely okay, Aroha. I don't need any gift from you. Your birthday wish has already made me happy.
Thanks, Luna. You're always so understanding with me. I was feeling bad about it. I thought you might be disappointed.
Never. A real friend doesn't measure friendship through gifts. We have been friends for a long time. That is already special to me. Look at those dark clouds. I think it's going to rain soon. Let's go from here.
I can even hear a little thunder now. You can go home if you want. I will go home later.
Are you sure? The weather might get worse soon. I don't think you should sit here alone. Why don't we leave together?
No, you go ahead. I want to stay here for a little longer. I'm not afraid of the rain.
All right, if that's what you want. But please don't stay here too long. Take care of yourself, okay?
Thanks. Oh my God, the water is so deep here. How can I escape from this place? I'm completely trapped now. There is nowhere left for me to run. That gorilla is still coming closer. Oh God, I'm so scared right now. What if it attacks me? I don't know what to do. I should have left the park with Luna. Why did I decide to stay here alone? Now I'm facing this danger by myself. That was such a foolish decision.
There is nothing more we can do. She has passed away.
Poor woman. She fought so hard against cancer. But in the end, the disease took her life. I feel so sorry for her family.
Enough talking now. Let's move her to the ICU ward. We will keep her there for 2 days.
ICU ward? Why are we taking her there? She is already dead, Elira. Her family should be informed immediately.
Just do what you have been told. We have our reasons for doing this. You don't need to understand everything right now.
But this doesn't make any sense. Why would we keep a dead patient in the ICU? Her family may still be waiting for news. They deserve to know the truth.
You have to follow our instructions. Otherwise, you could lose your job. Don't make this situation more difficult.
We will inform her family after 2 days. Do you understand me now? Until then, she will remain in the ICU. You will not discuss this matter with anyone.
Help! Somebody, please help me. I can't swim properly. The water is pulling me deeper. Please save me. I don't want to die here. Someone, please hear my voice.
Oh God, the entire road is blocked now. How am I supposed to get through this? This fallen tree is completely blocking the way. And this weather is getting worse every minute. The rain is so heavy outside. I don't think it's safe to get out of the car. Maybe I should wait until the storm becomes calmer. I really don't like being stuck here. Wait, what was that sound? Did I just hear someone shouting?
Help, please help.
It sounded like a girl calling for help. Who could be out here in this terrible weather? This place is surrounded by trees and the waterfall. Maybe someone is really in trouble. Are you okay, miss? Try to breathe slowly. How did you end up in the river? You could have drowned out there.
You saved my life today. I don't know what would have happened if you hadn't come. I was so scared in the water.
You are safe now. Just sit here and try to calm down. Your breathing is still very fast. Take a few deep breaths and relax.
I was sitting alone in the park. Then the weather suddenly became worse. A gorilla came after me, and I ran away. I fell into the river while trying to escape.
Where is your home? I will take you there safely.
I live in Block 3W, Kolomna. But first, can I use your phone? I need to call my mother.
What is happening in this hospital? The patient is already dead. But they still took her to the ICU. And then there is Elira. She keeps giving patients unnecessary tests. Dr. Oleg also seems to be involved in all this. Why is everyone acting so strangely? Something feels very wrong here. This doesn't feel like real medical care anymore. How can they ask poor patients to pay for tests they don't need? These patients come here because they trust us. They deserve honest treatment, not lies and unnecessary expenses.
Thank you so much for bringing me home safely. I truly appreciate everything you did for me today. You saved my life, and I will never forget it. May God bless you for your kindness.
I'm just glad that you are safe now. But I did not ask your name yet. What should I call you?
My name is Aroha. And what is your name? I think I should know the name of the man who saved me.
My name is Daniel. It's nice to meet you, Aroha.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel, sir. I should go inside before my mother becomes worried. Thank you once again for everything. Goodbye. Just look at her. She's drunk again. I don't understand why she drinks so much. I was almost dying today, and she doesn't even know what happened to me. Mom, are you out of your mind? Just look at yourself. You are lying here completely drunk. How can you treat your own life like this? She is not even answering me. I can't believe this. She can barely move right now. I don't think she even knows that I'm standing here.
I can hear everything you are saying. I'm not completely unconscious. And I'm certainly not an idiot like you think.
I'm not calling you an idiot, Mom. I'm your daughter. And I'm tired of living like this. Sometimes, I wish I had chosen to live with Dad. At least my life might have been different.
Don't you dare talk about that man in front of me. Your father is a bad man. He left this family and abandoned us.
And what about you? Did you ever think about why Dad left? He couldn't tolerate your behavior anymore. Maybe leaving you was the best decision he ever made.
You ungrateful girl! How dare you speak to me like that? I gave birth to you and raised you. You have no right to judge me. You don't know anything about my life. You have become exactly like your father. You both think you are better than me.
Keep your focus on me, snap your shot. Everybody here wanna see what I got. Keep your eyes on me, I'm here all night.
I can't fall asleep tonight. I keep thinking about that patient in the ICU. She was already dead. So why did they take her there? Something about that situation feels deeply wrong. Is the hospital doing something illegal? That poor woman's family still believes she is alive. How can I sleep peacefully knowing that?